Alrighty, time to get to it. Just got my first order of the day. We got $37.48 for 7.7 miles. Walmart Spark, shop, and deliver. And who the heck left this dang TV on, man? Trying to run up my electricity bill, man. Now I gotta turn this off. But look, it's all good. That's why we out here getting this money. Well, I shot that whole first clip and I ain't got no audio for it. I went in Walmart, got all the shopping done on that order. Took me about 25-30 minutes to get all the shopping done, but that's because Walmart is packed. It's a lot of people up in there, and I haven't done no shopping delivery in like 4 days, so I'm kind of rusty. But we still got it all shopped. We got it in the car, ready for delivery. The time is now 4:35, so I need to get this done and get back within the hour so that I can just, have that one trip for this 1 hour, because anything longer than that, and that's too much of my time. But $37 for a full hour of work, including, drop off, shopping, and making it, back to the store, I can deal with that. So let's go ahead and get to welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and today we're gonna talk about a few things. I'm doing this little Walmart Spark order real quick. Came in at 37 bucks. But I wanted to talk about the state of food delivery. I saw this article today, and it was talking about how customers are opting into going and picking up their own food when they place it online for order. So that's gonna have an impact on us as gig economy workers, and specifically my people that pick up food delivery like DoorDash and Uber Eats and Grubhub. Let me know in the comments below, have you been seeing a decline in the amount of orders that you normally see? And do you feel like your customers that normally order for delivery, are they picking their food up now? Because I feel like that's been the trend for the last year, but it's really starting to really have a bigger impact on us as gig economy drivers, and specifically food delivery drivers, because I make a lot more money with Walmart Spark now, which is considered grocery delivery, versus I used to make a lot of money with food delivery. I used to do the catering orders and work around the prime times of breakfast and lunch and dinner. And overall, I've noticed a decline in consumers ordering for delivery and opting to go and pick up their own food or not ordering at all. And of course, along those lines, we also see the things as orders that normally would have a tip on them not having a tip, or having a substantially less tip. So I just wanted to know if you guys have been seeing this, and let me know if you been navigating these waters the same, or have you been adjusting what you've been doing in order to hit your profits, because I can't even remember the last time I made a straight $100 with just food delivery, specifically DoorDash, because like it's trash over here in my area. But there's always different markets I can go explore. So maybe I'll do that and give it a shot on this upcoming week. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a DoorDash challenge. Pop on some Earn by Time, and you want to see me suffer taking a whole bunch of trash offers. Let me know, because I can make that happen. Order number one. Got it done, $37, and we are right at the 50-minute mark. So I'll do that all day of the week. $37 for 50 minutes. Let's go. Yes, sir. The time is 5:06. Just got my next order. $27.64 for 8.4. Another shopping deliver. Woo! Somebody on that motorcycle. But this one got quite a lot less items on it. This one said 20 items, and I made it back within the first hour, so we all good on that. Now we just gotta head on there and get these items shopped. Now, the main thing you want to remember when doing shopping delivers is keep them feet moving. You park your cart at the end of the aisle, walk down the aisles, get your items. That way you can be in and out. And also, if you need to go from one side or the other to like the personal hygiene side over to the other side where the groceries at, cut through the clothes aisles, because you'll get there way quicker. The time is now 6:03, and I can't tell you how lucky I am. I just got my next order, $33 and 90-something cents, if I'm not mistaken. And you know what? I ain't even gonna lie, I forgot the mileage on it too, but guess what? I'm gonna throw a screenshot up right here. But I did do the math. After this order, I'm gonna be at $97 on just 3 orders on Walmart Spark. Let's go. Now, things have started to pick back up a little bit today with these 3 orders, but over the course of the last couple of days, it's been very slow. Yesterday, I made only 40 bucks. I did my little live stream, 7,000 subscriber cash giveaway. Thank you guys again for 7,000 subscribers. 8K is on the way. And the day before that, I didn't get no orders, I believe. But yeah, like, This is how I usually do it. You know, 2 or 3 shop and deliver orders, maybe 1 curbside, and I'm at $100. And that's how I like it to be now. Starting off the beginning of this week, today's Sunday. So tomorrow, starting off the beginning of a brand new Walmart Spark earnings week, I'm gonna be hitting it early. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna be doing a crazy amount of hours every single day, but I'm gonna keep the app open all day, and I'm gonna really try to maximize and get as many trips as I've done. Because here's the thing, I've noticed that when I really crank them orders out in the first couple days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, those are the weeks where I break my records and I have the highest earnings so far for the week. So I am at the highest I've earned so far. Yesterday when I checked in, I was at $745. After this $100, if all the tips come through, I'll be over 800. But even if all the tips don't roll in today and fall on this earnings week, as long as I get about 50 bucks of that, that'll secure $800 for this week, which is the first week of June, for my Walmart Spark earnings. And that's perfect because that'll be the highest earning week I had so far. Now, my goal is to achieve that $1,000 Walmart Spark week, but I'm seeing that I'm gonna have to not only hit it hard those first 3 days, I'm gonna have to really maximize and take advantage of promotions, but finally, I'm gonna have to probably work all 7 days. If not, just doing a few orders even on the days where I'm not working, you know, a full day. But that's gonna be my game plan moving forward because Walmart Spark is the only one of my big 3, which would be DoorDash, Uber, and Walmart, drastically. That hasn't drastically fallen off in terms of the order volume and the quality of the orders that we see. So I'm finna maximize and go hard with Walmart Spark because things could change and it can get real dry on Walmart Spark just like it do after those holidays, and I have to switch it up again. So I'm finna make as much as I can so I can have a cushion to fall back on when the money ain't flowing. Got all 3 of those orders dropped off, and that put me at 97 bucks. And then I just got another order, $17. 70 something for 2 miles, ASAP order. So you know I'm finna hop on that ASAP because this order right here gonna put me over my $100 goal for the day, and now I'm in good shape. And it ain't even 7 o'clock yet. And hopefully with this being an ASAP order, they just go ahead and have it ready and bring it on out as soon as I pull up. I'm about 2 minutes away from the Walmart now. Let's go ahead and get it. I think I'm gonna be done after this one, and we're gonna call it Red Bull bag with all my electronics in it. Then I got my backpack, got my watermelon, but that's not coming with me. Then I got my laptop right here, and we finna take all of this, get ready to hit the road. First order of the day, we got $37.46 for 23.4 miles. Sam's Club order. Now, the miles to money ratio is okay. It's not quite gonna be a 40-mile round trip, but it's still gonna be probably about 30 miles round trip. But I'm okay with it because it's a Sam's Club order. I always get extra tips on my Sam's Club off, and I need to get this ball rolling today. It's early in the morning. The last 3 or 4 days, I haven't even got an order first thing early in the morning. So I'm taking advantage. This is a 10 o'clock pickup. So I'm picking it up, and I should have this both of these dropped off before 11 a.m. and back over here in my area to get my next order. So either way I slice it, it's still gonna be 37 an hour. Hopefully with these extra tips that I usually get on these Sam's Club offers, it'll go up to about $50. How you doing? Day number 2, let's get it. This is actually day number 1 because this is a whole new beginning of an earnings week. But as far as this video goes, day number 2. And we finna see if we can run it up with Walmart Spark. Ever since my GoPro, bro, it has been slightly a struggle recording with my Z Flip 3. So you know what? I think I'm about to go ahead, bite the bullet, and grab me that GoPro Hero 11 with that front-facing camera. Cause look, I got videos I got to make, and I'm working on this Galaxy Z Flip 3 and recording with it. It's just becoming too much of a hassle. And you know what? I need to make things easier on myself. So that's exactly what I'm about to do. Now hold on real quick, because I'm in that brand new car and it do not play. It said you got to throw that seatbelt on. Bow. So we're gonna do that. But you know, all jokes aside, I'm about to go ahead and bite that bullet and grab that GoPro Hero 11, and we're gonna make it do what it do. Next up, we got $26.19 for 7.5 miles. This one gonna be a Walmart Spark pickup. But I'm hungry, so I'm about to head up in the Lion's Choice and grab me something to eat. I think I'm about to grab me some chili and some croutons and some water, because I'm trying to keep it simple and keep it cheap. But I should have brung me some lunch. Since I didn't, I'm gonna go ahead and slide up in here and grab some food. Lucky me. Alrighty, so lucky me. Order number 1 is an alcohol delivery. So we pulling up to the customer right now. And for them alcohol deliveries, they typically pay a little bit more because you gotta do identity verification. You gotta make sure the customer old enough. Typically, it'll have you scan their ID to make it simple. So we're here now, and hopefully they come out real quick, Cause I ain't trying to be waiting. I'm trying to head to delivery number 2. Oh man, so we gonna have to get all of this stuff here, but it's gonna be easy because it's 1, 2, 3 pickups and right over to the front door. Now this next one is going to my favorite place in the whole world, the SIUE college campus. Now look, now I know those college dorm room campuses can be a little daunting. You know, a lot of times it's not easy finding your way around the campus, but if you know what I'm saying, give those deliveries a chance. Sometimes, a lot of times by your second or third trip over to those areas, you'll be able to find your way in there. So I know exactly where I'm going for this one, so I'm good. But them first couple of times I made my way over to the college campus, I was like, man, where is this? Where is this number at? Where is this dorm? I can't find it. So, you know, I know it can be a little rough, but hang in there and get that money. Next up, just got my next order. We got $19.54 for 7.3 miles. So not bad, not the best order, but definitely not the worst order, especially for 7.3 miles, because when it get real bad, you can see 1-to-1 miles to money ratio on stacked orders like this. This one is a stacked order, meaning it's 2 drop-offs and 7 miles in total. And like I said, it could have said $10 for those 7 miles, but we got lucky, $19.54. Now this order should put me at about $84 on the day, which is awesome because this is just with 3 orders. So that's the way I likes to do it right there. Now, this order will put me at order number 3 towards my incentive. We got a little incentive right here on Monday. Walmart Spark say hit each milestone of trips to get incentive up to $40. So if you complete 6 trips, you get it. Okay, let me get this together. Look, if you complete 6 trips, you get an additional 24 bucks. And then if you complete 8 trips, is that 8? Yep. If you complete 8 trips, which is just 2 more, you get 40 bucks. So an additional 16 bucks, totaling $40 in total. So I'm definitely trying to go ahead and knock that out. Now that is a only today incentive. So today is June 5th, Monday. So that incentive is only valid for today. I'm almost halfway there. I still got the whole day ahead of me, so I figure why not? That's extra money onto the tally. I need that. Let's go ahead and run it up. Walmart Spark drop-off number 2. And this one was actually a better order than I realized because this one actually to my zone. So now I'm right back close to Walmart. Let's get it. Next up, we got $23 for 6.6 miles. This one is a batched order, so that means it's 2 stops on this. And it looks like it's gonna be a minute because I've been here for like 5 minutes. I didn't went live on TikTok and I ain't seen no Walmart employees come out. Now it could be lunchtime, but you know, they get an hour lunch. So hopefully they got the relief workers coming over to run these orders out because this order right here gonna put me over $100 for the day. That last one put me at 84. So with this one, this is 26. That's gonna put me at like 110 bucks for the day. So I need this. I need them to go ahead and hurry up because I want to go ahead and go home and take me a break and smash out another $100 for the evening. This is what it's like being a full-time content creator. I'm in my car. I'm live on TikTok. I got this video that I'm about to put out today. I'm editing. Got another video that I'm be working on after this. And on top of it, I'm waiting on the Walmart Spark order. This is how you make that money 10 ways. Stop playing with me. All right. Walmart Spark drop off number 2, front door service. Got lots of dog food on this order. And a couple things of cat food too. Oh, is that cat food? Nope, that is cat litter. Oh, this shit heavy. Next up, we got $26.47 Sam's Club offer for 19 miles. Man, I wish this was a better offer, but I know they hide all the tips on the Sam's Club offer. So this is gonna go up, but at least I looked at the map and all of the drop-offs are keeping me in my area. It's only one that's going about 7 miles away. So that's where most of the mileage come. And it's probably some round trip miles on this one, to be honest, but it's cool because sometimes you gotta roll with the punches, but this order right here is keeping my wheels rolling because I need to get 8 orders done today so I can get that additional 40 bucks. So maybe if I take some trips that's 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, I may not like it in the moment, but they'll get close. They'll get me closer to hitting that incentive and having an extra 40 bucks on my earnings. Got that first order dropped off. Now we heading to drop off number 2. I got 8 stops total on this order right here. But the thing is, I thought that I was gonna be doing a couple of the in-town stops first. It actually sent me to the furthest delivery first, and now I'm heading back to the Sam's, well, not to the Sam's Club, but to the area where I picked up all the orders from. So that actually works out perfectly because now that puts me in a better spot of being closer in a position, maybe on a street where I can pick up the next order once I get these dropped off. So actually that works out. They routed this one pretty good. So big ups to Walmart Spark for that one. Because a lot of times when you do your second drop off, you can find that you furthest away from your location where you need to pick up from. So that worked out. Alrighty, Sam's Club drop off number 2. We got 2 things of toilet paper, Charmin brand, and this big old box right here with a whole bunch of stuff in it. That one right there was 3 items in one, and all the other ones are single delivery drop. Got an apartment delivery, but it's all good. Ooh, look at that rainbow doormat. Okay. I have no idea what this is right here. What am I even looking? What is this? This is a Jeep, but it looked like a damn armored tank. Like, what the hell is this? Somebody please let me know, like, what am I looking at? What is this? Like, is that a tank or what? An APC? That's an APC? Like on GTA? What the hell? Do y'all see this? Mug is crazy. Look at Pedro and Nugs. Man, but what is this though? I gotta get up on the side of this thing. Hold up, what is this? Do y'all see this? Let's turn that down. Look, let me know in the comments below. Would you take this order right here? I'm gonna throw it up on screen. Cause I couldn't let this go by. This order came through looking real nice. And I said, you know what? I have to take advantage. We got $51, 25 miles on this order. And guess what? I pulled up and they had that thing right ready to go. So my GPS says it's gonna be a 30-minute drive round trip because the second part of this order is actually bringing me back. So like I'm saying, they're routing these orders and making it better to where you're closer to your, your next pickup location. So let's go ahead and get it done. 50 bucks added to the tally. Sit those there. Now, Google said it was gonna take me 25 minutes to drive here. 20 minutes of driving for a $30 tip. I'll do that. Just got my next order, $23.68 for 5.8. One order on this one, and it's not even an alcohol delivery. So that means this customer just left a great tip on this one. Now look, this is order number 7 towards my Walmart Spark incentive. Do 8 trips and get 40 bucks. So I think we're gonna knock it out. And that last Sam's Club order really put me on the map because that was 50 bucks right there for 20 something miles. And it wasn't round trip miles because the second order brought me back over here to the location where I pick up at. So that turned out to actually be a really, really great order. Now, like I always say, I expect the tips to go up on my Sam's Club orders, but not on that one because it showed me a tip up front, a really, really high tip. So that one might not go up. It'll probably stay the same, but that's okay because I'm on track to have a 200+ day. Now I'm here, I'm waiting on my next order. And this one right here is gonna be number 7. And all I need is one more and we had 8 orders and we get that incentive of extra 40 bucks. And that right there is gonna fill up my gas tank. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I just put 36 bucks in the tank yesterday, filled it up, and I'm back down to half. So that 40 bucks is gonna more than fill me back up, and I'm gonna have some extra for my next fill up. So that's Walmart Spark for the win on that incentive. Let's get this next order and get it done. Man, you gotta love those private roads, man. This delivery got me going down this private road. I got a big ass pool in the back. They got potholes and squirrels and tree limbs and everything else. Man, what the hell is going on? Where is this address? All the way over there. At least they left a fat tip on this thing. Man, look at this big old pool. Alrighty, we gonna sit this one. Just got this other stuff right here. Just this big old tote here and that stuff there. And that's Walmart Spark order number 7. Now all we need is one more to hit that incentive. Yes, sir, Walmart Spark just came through and I pulled up so I can edit the rest of this video. And I got my next order, $22 even for 4.8 miles. And it's gonna be the trip number 8. And it's gonna get me that incentive and I can fill this gas tank up. And everything I made is 100% profit today. We're gonna add up some totals and see what we got after this. You know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and add them up right now. After adding everything up, with including this trip that I just accepted, I'm gonna be at $230.14 for one day on Walmart Spark. Let's get it. Now, I work for about 2 hours at a time, take a break, then I come back out. So altogether, I've been out for like 5 hours today. And that's not bad at all. That's like active time because truly, I left out the house at 10:30 this morning. So from the time I left to now, we looking at what, 6 hours? No, 7 hours, but I probably was active for 5 of those hours. So not bad, but here's the thing though. By me working so hard today, I was trying to get that incentive and we got it. I got 8 trips, that 230, I'm gonna add a 40 onto that. So that makes $270 in one day on Walmart Spark. Walmart Spark for the win. So this is how I like to start off my weeks so that I can have a nice week's earnings if I knock out enough orders on Monday and they give me an incentive. So we good now. I'm gonna go ahead and get this video edited and I'll catch you in the next one.